Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about some basic level queries in SQL. Here we have two tables. Let's see, this is the employee table and this is the department table. Based on these two tables we perform some basic operations. These are the basic operations. We have 10 basic some queries, basic queries. So first we are moving to write a query to display all the details from the employee table. So in this question he needs all the details about the employee table. This is the query. No need of write any other queries. Select star from employee. This is the employee table name. Table name is employee. Select star means selecting entire the all the values of the employee. So select star from employee, this will be displayed. After that select star from department. This is also all the details or records available in the department. Here only 4 records are available in department. Here 14 records are available in the department employee table. So first question, not need of write any special queries, simple. This is select star from employee. This is the query to first question. Select write a query to display name of all the employees. Here we needs only names. So select name. Names means here the names column name is e name. So e name from emp semicolon. Here see the only employee e name only displayed. So employee names only displayed. So the third query is write a query to display name and salaries given to the all the employees. So here he needs employee name along with their salaries. So select not star, select e name and salaries column name is also is sal. So we need to give sal from emp semicolon. So here we see this employee name along with their salaries they displayed. This is the query he wants, name and salary given to the all the employees, names and all the salaries. Write a query to display name and commission given to the all the employees. So here we need commission along with salary. This is the employee name along their commission is COMM. This is the name of commission, column name of commission. So CMM is the commission column name. So select e name COMM from emp semicolon. So you see this employee name along with their commission. Only 3-4 members have got commission. Ellen, Ward and Martin Turner. These 4 members can only get commission. Remaining all are not have any commission. So displayed only these 4 records. Okay, next we are moving to write a query. Fifth question, write a query employee IDs along with the department number of all the employees. So in this query what he needs only simple the employee ID. Employee ID means employee number. Here employee ID is the column name of employee name is the column name of employee ID. Employee ID values is this, and along with he wants department number. This is the column. So these 14 records along with these department names he wants. So for better understanding purpose I am also giving name also. Select e name for better understanding purpose. He don't want a name, but I am giving name, e name, and employee ID means employee number. giving employee name along with the employee number and their department number. Employee number is employee number after department number, DEPT department number. So DEPT n word, no, this is the number column name of department number. So select star, this is the row, so that we get employee name is a table name employee. So employee name, he wants only these data, but for our better understanding purpose I give this also. Employee name, their employee ID along with their department. This is the better way to view the results. So write a query to employee name, hire date of the employees. He wants only employee name and their hire dates. Employee name and their hire date. Here the column name of hire date is hire date, so there is no change. So select e name, hire date from department name, table name EMP. So you see employee name and their hire dates or their joining dates. Smith is joined at 19th December to 17th he joined. So this is the query he wants result. After that, name and the designation of the employees, he wants their name. Select employee name, their designation means job. Here job designation column name is job, so designation job name is column, designation column name is job. So I wrote job from EMP. Employee name, and their job, their designation. After that, next question, employee name and their designation and their salaries. He needs these two records along with their salaries also. So select e name, job, salary means sal from EMP table. So employee name, job along with their salary. This is the 7th query, sorry 8th query. After that, department name from the department. These are the queries about first table, employee table. We have 8 queries. These are the basic queries, some basic level without using any additional operators, some operators like any full outer join, inner joins, like that. Just simple queries that simply display the results. Here department name and present in the department. So department name of the department name means their job department names. Department select, so department name D name from department table name is department DEPT, so department. So here only 4 records. These 4 records are the department table records. D name. After that, department name along with their location present in the department. Here the location column name is lock. So this is mandatory to write a query. What is the column name of location? So location column name is lock. Your shortcut here place a shortcut lock. So we need to give select D name, lock. So here location column name is lock. So location column name is lock. So location column name is lock. So we need to give select D name, lock. So here location column name is lock. So location column name is lock. lock from emp. Sorry, here you see this department and lock are not exist, invalid identifier. So if you give wrong column name, here there is no name of dname and lock, so that's why it shows an error. There is no identifier, invalid identifier. So because they need to know what is the column names of department name, so that is why select star dname not location from. Here I am use employee table. These column names not present, so invalid identifiers. Here the department dname and lock are available in department table, so department table. So these are the records available in the department table. Okay, select star employee name and department. These are the records available in the department name. Okay, these are all the 4 query basic level queries on simple just selection and projection. These are the basic queries. In further sections we discuss in detail about inner join, outer joins and operators. So many are there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.